are the top 10 questions you have about vaccination? Well, we asked the same question to some of our subscribers and we got ton of questions in return. We categorized them to top 10 questions and in this video I will be answering all of them. Hi, I'm Dr. Chaitra. Welcome to my channel Healthy You. If you're watching my video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon for new videos. This is my second video in the series of treating COVID-19 patients at home. And in today's video, I will be talking all that you need to know about vaccinations. First question, will COVID-19 vaccines provide long-term protection? Well, since COVID vaccines have been developed and used from past few months only, it's too early to know the duration of protection of COVID-19 vaccines. Research is going on to answer this question. And that is why we should continue to wear masks even if we are vaccinated. Considering the new variants and their ability to spread more faster, all it takes is a few cases of infection to put us back to square one. Next question. Will vaccination stop pandemic? The impact of COVID-19 vaccine on the pandemic will depend on several factors. These include the effectiveness of the vaccine, how quickly they are approved, manufactured and delivered, the possible development of other variants, and how many people get vaccinated. Hence, it is our responsibility to get vaccinated as soon as we can and encourage our friends and family members to get vaccination at the first opportunity. Third question, who should not get the vaccines? The COVID-19 vaccines are safe for 18 years and older, including those with pre-existing conditions of any kind, like autoimmune diseases, hypertension, diabetes, asthma, liver and kidney diseases, etc. And many chronic infections also which are stable and controlled. In general, apart from kids of 17 years or less age should not take these vaccines. These vaccines are in testing stage and should be taken only when they are certified by the authorities. However, if you are immunocompromised, are pregnant and nursing your baby, having a history of severe allergies, particularly to a vaccine or any ingredient in the vaccine, or if you are severely ill, then you should consult your doctor to check your physical fitness for the vaccine. Fourth question, how soon will I get the immunity after the vaccination? For the first 14 days after getting a vaccination, we do not have significant levels of protection. It only increases gradually. For a single dose vaccine, immunity will generally occur 2 weeks after the vaccination. For 2-dose vaccines, which we Indians are taking presently, both doses are needed to achieve the highest level of immunity possible. Next question, can we stop taking precaution after being vaccinated? The answer is no, because no vaccine kills virus 100%. While a COVID-19 vaccine will protect us from serious illness and death, research is still going on about the extent to which it keeps us from being infected and passing on the infection to others. Even after getting your COVID vaccination, you should continue to maintain at least 1 meter distance from others. Cover your mouth when you cough or sneeze. Clean your hands frequently and wear a mask properly, particularly in enclosed, crowded or poorly ventilated spaces. Next question is interesting. Can you take second dose with a different vaccine than the first dose? Well, there isn't enough data yet to recommend this type of combination. However, there was a case in India where by mistake couple of people were given different vaccines in the first and the second dose. I am sharing the link for these reports in the description for you. But there are no clinical approval for different vaccines between doses. Now coming to the 7th question. Can the COVID-19 vaccine cause a positive test result for the disease? No, the COVID-19 vaccine will not cause any positive test result for a COVID-19 PCR or antigen laboratory test. This is because the test checks for active disease and not whether an individual is immune or not. Next one is a very frequently asked question. Should I be vaccinated if I have recovered from COVID-19? Well, even if you were affected by COVID-19 and recovered completely, you should be vaccinated. The protection that someone gains from having COVID-19 will vary from person to person, and we also don't know for how long the natural immunity might last. 3 months after the day of recovery from COVID-19, vaccination should be taken. Doing this will help the body develop stronger immunity and the effect of the vaccine will be better. Last but one question. Do the vaccines protect against the new variants? That's a very relevant question. More studies are needed to assess the effectiveness of the current COVID vaccines against the variants. A growing body of data suggests that most vaccines stimulate enough immunity to retain substantial efficacy against most variants, especially for severe diseases, hospitalization, and death. While more research is going on, we as citizens need to do everything possible to stop the spread of the virus in order to prevent mutations that may reduce the performance of existing vaccines. Coming to our last question. Does having the side effects mean that the vaccine is working? Now this question is asked even by my patients. The answer is simple no. The vaccine stimulates your immune system to protect you from the virus. This process can sometimes cause side effects like fever, chills, or headache, but not everyone experiences these kind of a symptom. The presence of the symptom or the magnitude of the reaction you may have does not predict or reflect your immune response to the vaccine. That brings us to the end of the questions. In my next video in the same series, I will be talking about the diet plan for the COVID patients. If you have not yet subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications on new video updates. Click the like button if you like this video. Please share your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, if you have any question about vaccination, please type it in the comment section below and I'll make sure to answer them. And always remember, please wear your mask and avoid crowded places and take your vaccination as soon as you can. Eat healthy, stay healthy. I'll see you in my next video.